Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have the first security fixes for Google Chrome and Chromium for the year 2025. They have arrived today, January 7th. So if you go into your Chrome browser, go into the upper right corner, the three vertical dots, Help and About Google Chrome, you will be at 131.0.6778.264 or 265. Depending on Linux, Mac, or Windows. Fixes for security flaws, high severity, and it comes with a pretty big amount that was given for a type V8 confusion. Once again, V8 being attacked a lot. It is a scripting engine. It is the place where you probably have the easiest access if you find a flaw to take full control of a PC. Or any device, as per se. Once you get through that flaw, you do what you want, whether it's Linux or Mac. And this is something a lot of people have a hard time understanding, thinking that they're secure. You got to update and make sure that everything is fixed. Of course, that means that Chromium browsers will have the same update in the next few hours or days. So check your Edge, Brave, Opera, Vivaldi, whatever you use. Of course, except Firefox. Firefox is not Chromium based. So this is important security flaws. It is high severity. There doesn't seem to be a 0-day in it or anything. But it's 4 security flaws that are important to fix. For Google Chrome, the first ones of the year 2025, and of course that's the first line of the defense. When you go online, you use your browser. Browser being secure, being up to date is important, as it lowers the amount of bad things that can get through and go to your operating system. So this is very important to apply. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching my videos.